Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to calculate the age for a particular birth date. Okay, the birth date what I have here is 30th March of 2010. Okay, now I want to know the age. Okay, how can we calculate the age? There may be many ways you can create age, but I am showing a very straightforward way, which we are going to use a function called date diff. Okay, this function, date diff function. Okay, the date diff function has three arguments. One is first two are dates, and it is going to give you the difference between these two dates. The third one is the unit of measure. If you put the unit of measure as years, then it will give you the years, the difference between these two dates, years. And if you put months, then it will give you only the months, and if you put year and months, then it will give you the difference from the last year. Okay, only in the months. Okay, how can you do this one here? Okay, let's use the function here, date diff, date, okay, diff of our first date is the birthday. Okay, the second one is the today's date. Okay, what this is today's date is 6/11 2018 here. That means June 11th. Okay, 2018. Okay, so I just put today, as of today. Okay, so you no need to know what is today's date. You just use the function today, and you want the difference between these two dates in terms of, I put y, which means give me in years. Okay, the difference. Okay, it will come up with the 8, because today date you can see here, today 11 June 2018. Okay, so the video which I am recording today is 2018. If you happen to see this video after 3018 or something, you will know that this video is century years older. Okay, so this one is 8, then the difference is 8 years. So this person completed 8 years and his age is 8 years completed. Okay, what if I want the I use the unit of measure as months? Okay, let's see, date diff of the same thing, the birthday and today. Okay, and I want the unit of measure as ym, not m, only m. Okay, the months, this is about 98 months. Okay, so if you want only in months, you can see it is in 98 months. Okay, I don't want like a cumulative months, only after 8 years how many months you want to see that one only. That means I leave the year part and only give me the months. Then what you need to do is that you need to put ym. That means only the fractional months will come. Okay, press OK. So this is actually, this person is 8 years and 2 months old. Okay, who's my son. My son's birthday is this, and he is 8 years and 2 months old. Okay, so this is the way you can find a person's age. Okay, using date diff function. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.